Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to Dior OSV show. It's like small fashion show here in Dubai. Anytime Dior launches a new collection, they like to do like small fashion show for people to come and see the collection. So I decided to share with you guys what I'm going to wear for this fashion show and how I will dress it up. So little unboxing for today. Let's get started. There's one item I'm going to wear for fashion show today, and another item is not for fashion show, so I don't know which one is which one, so just let's see. It's actually like this, sorry. Okay, this is some swimwear. Yeah, this swimwear I will not wear to fashion show obviously, so yeah, just showing you guys how it look like. It's like on the back. It's kind of very covered. I would prefer a little bit like cut from here, but not too much covered, because I don't really like too much covered. But when I tried it looked very nice. So if you will search on website to see this, you will think like, oh, this is so nice, like oblique style, but it's too covered here, like on the legs, like hips, I think. Yeah, they're covering all the hips, but actually when you try it, it's looking very nice. So yeah, I love it, seriously. And also it's coming with like bag for swimwear. It's saying Dior inside. It's very comfortable to pack it here, and just put it here, and yeah, let's go to the beach. Next. I'm really excited to open this. Now I have my nails, so I can do proper unpacking. So it's like a dress, navy blue. It's also have hoodie like this. It's saying Christian Dior on the front, and at the back is just simple oblique dress, but it's so cute, super cute. It's also like have this velvet kind of material. For me, I'm going to try and mix it with like some elegant bag or shoes, and let's see how it look like, because I really love this dress so much. This dress is everything. So let me try it with something else. When you're wearing Lady Dior or something like this, it makes any clothes like looking wow. I think I really love this bag so much. Also saddle bag. I have a sneakers also like oblique style, and also the sneakers like velvet. It's going to be matching so nice with this. Cute, I love it. I have this also matte Lady Dior medium size. It will be matching perfectly with this dress, but I think for fashion show I have to remove the twilly first, then second it will be like too boring, I think, or it will be too much elegant for this, or You know, this kind of shoes is to be wearing like classic dress or something like this usually, but I don't know. I might decide to just wear it with these shoes and with Lady Dior, something like this. It will be not too casual. Oh, next I will be showing you what I decided. Actually, I will go and try it out everything. So yeah, let's see.
I've been here before, like Mechanic Village. Really?
So let me just little light. We're already here, but people are coming out from the taxi because it's a little bit traffic. We came on time, but I don't know now because they told us to come a little bit earlier because we have only 1 hour from 9 to 10. So from 9 to 10 only. Sorry. Oh my God, there's a lot of people.
Yeah, it's the Dior show.
Yeah, I just ordered.
People, I'm going to be wearing shorter dress, dear.
Yeah. Oh, it's outdoor, you know.
So guys, we're already inside. I'm so excited to see what is it. Yeah, let me show you around.
Nice.
But they're just mixing together here.
Yeah. I think it's my best, this one. Very nice. I don't like this one. It's matching your dress, Evan. But it's too much if you wear it with this.
Yeah, it's too much blue, yeah?
Yeah.